Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 144 binary tree pre-order traversal. We're given the root of a binary tree and we need to return the pre-order traversal of its nodes. And here's an example, 1, 2, 3, and we return 1, null, 2, 3. And so the way, I've also copied another example over here, and this will better illustrate how we're supposed to traverse the binary tree. So we always start off from the left node and then the right node when doing pre-order traversal. So our output in this case would be 1, and then the left node is going to be 2, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, and then back to the top because we've reached our base case. We need to then add 3, 8, and 9. And this is basically the pre-order traversal of all our node values, and we'd return this in our function. So jumping into the code, we need to start off with creating our result list. So we'll just set it to an empty list, and then we need to initialize our DFS function, so that's depth first search function, and we need to first create our base case. So our base case is if our root node is going to be null, i.e. it's not going to exist, then we're just going to return, which means we've reached the end of our tree, basically. If a root is not null, then we'll append the value of the node to res, and then we need to recursively run this function on the left tree and on the right tree. So root.left and root.right. And then we need to, of course, call DFS on our root and then return our res, because this will now be populated with the pre-order traversal of all the node values. So let's run this and check that we do pass all the test cases. DFS takes, it's because we need to actually define root as a parameter. And amazing. Okay, so we pass all 4 test cases, and now if we submit our solution, we see that we also have an optimal solution. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.